I had a couple of requests for a video for the Spotify Web API Access blog which I had posted last week. So here it goes. To start with, you need to have the Spotify account, and I already have an account, or else you need to go to the developer.spotify.com, and I'm going to log into that. Log into the Spotify, and once you have logged in, go to the My Applications, and then to the Create an App, where you will be giving your application's name as well as descriptions. Since I have already done this step, I will be skipping this thing. The application details will be available at the dashboard, and click that. Go to the you need to take a note of this client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. If you're logging it for the first time, probably you will have to give this URL. It was not there. I checked the documentation for this, and they had recommended this URL, so I had put this URL. So once you have taken a note of these three things, head back to Web API, and under that go to the code examples and libraries. There you will get the example app code. You can either clone or download this. I have already downloaded this, and let's do this step together. I'll unzip this and open it, and in the authorization underscore code folder, open the app.js, where you will have to give all these three details. Since I have already taken a note of these things, I'll replace that with my credentials, save it, head back to the root. I'll do an npm install, which will take some time to get these packages downloaded and installed for us. Almost, and once that is done, navigate to the authorization underscore code folder, node app.js, and you will start listening on the port 8888. Now navigate to localhost:8888, which will take you to this page. Click login with the Spotify. At first load, you will probably see this screen. Just click reload, and it will take you to a page where you will have to take a note of this access token. Take a note of this, save it somewhere else, and I'll head back to my application which I have created using the create react app. I've just used that, created a bare minimum structure, and this is the base query that I had to search for one particular artist, and all I need to do is paste this access token here. This code as is made available on my GitHub URL, which I have already pasted in the blog. Now head back to the head back. We start the application. Up. And once it's started. If I search for, say, Michael Jackson, I have Michael Jackson's details. If I search for Frank Sinatra, now I have that details. And as a side note, this access token has got some sort of an expiration limit. So if you are not getting the response, you again need to go back to the authorization page, obtain the new token using the refresh token, click that once, go back and again log in with Spotify, reload, and you will get the new access token. So that's it. If you have any further comments or suggestions, please feel free to post on my blog or on the YouTube link.